7 things you need to do to get the most out of Lensa so you can take your AI avatars from this to this. Number 1, pick the right photos. Lensa takes an incredible amount of influence from individual photos. If you upload a photo that you don't like, where it's unflattering, you will end up with 10 to 20 avatars based exactly on that photo. Make sure to use recent photos. If you use a photo from a few years ago when you're a couple of kilos lighter, they won't look so much like you. Make sure to use a variety of angles. To help train the AI, it's important to include a number of different expressions. Make sure there are no other people inside of the shot. This stops the AI from merging you with another face. Make sure that your photos are well lit. Avoid anything covering the face. Make sure they're of a high quality. Choose one photo that is straight on to the camera, where you're directly looking at the camera at eye level. Here is a selection of photos that I have used, and I've got good results with these. Avoid heavy shadows. And if you're not happy with the images you get out, go again. Try to refine the images that you select to train the AI on and submit it for another 100 or 200 avatars. You will slowly get a feel on what images are working well. If you have an image of yourself that you really like, but it's a little bit low resolution, you can use a free image upscaler. And this will allow you to double or quadruple the resolution, which will give you a greater chance of getting good effects inside of Lensa. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. It's very easy to use. All you have to do is select a photo, drop it in, and you can select 200 or 400%. My last tip is I recommend going for 200 avatars. The more that you get processed, the more likely you are to get ones which are successful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not stick around and subscribe for more AI art news? Because I'm Samson Vols, and this is Delightful Design. If you're interested in diving deeper into the world of AI art, I have a number of courses on Udemy where I take you through some of the more advanced platforms for creating your own AI art. You can check those out in the description below.